folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to talk to you about internet connectivity while RVing. Due for 2024 with our off-road motorhomes like this Jayco Terrain here or our Seneca XTs, Jayco has standard now Starlink internet. So either you are a B-van enjoying the van life, or if you want to have the luxurious comforts of a Seneca XT with the Starlink that both of them have on it, you can enjoy your Netflix and you can run your business while on the road. So here we are on the roof of this Jayco Seneca, which by the way is a Magnum truss roof system rated for 4,500 pounds, and I'm here to show you the Starlink system. This is their flat mount high performance antenna that allows you to actually have, if you want, roaming and while traveling, moving internet. So this is Raul at Worldwide RV. If you have any more questions about Starlink or any of our other motorhomes and fifth wheels, please stop by, visit us in person. I'll be more than happy to help.